Ahead of our parade is Dave, our maintenance man, and his fabulous tractor.
Whore! 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 Slut!
Travis, you tell me where you want him to be.
Right here.
Ladies and gentlemen, your volunteer fire department. Gentlemen, did you get Travis? Yeah. Engine number 69. Travis, this is a two-part. Judges, that was float number 1. Float number 2, and the second part of this float is behind the car. Stop and pose. Gentlemen, forward please. Your Backwood Bears Club, Dade City, Florida. Yeah. Is there? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the second part of the Backwood Bears. This is float number 2. It's all part of that. Pull forward a little more. This is the Backwood Bears. Project Fairway. Judges, duck and cover, judges. And we have our walkers. Fabulous, good to see that you made it. How are your feet? Very sore. Very sore. That's the end of our floats. We're on the golf cart now, judges.
Got it. I got it.
Judges, this is golf cart number 1. We're done with the floats, we're on the golf carts. You good? Thank you. The walkers, forward please. You're just pretty dead over that, aren't you? Oh, Miss Dairy Queen. Once again, I will announce the costume contest is after the haunted house at 12 o'clock in the courtyard. Judges, this is golf cart 3. We missed on 2. That's all right. The score is 3. It's 3. Well, I've got to throw a loop in there for you every now and then. Coins lunch. With a head. That's a draft. Judges, this is golf cart number 4. And what was the name of your little organization here, piggies? What were we calling? Divines. The Divines. And ladies and gentlemen, this does conclude our Halloween parade illuminated. We appreciate you participating.